Hi friends, in this session we will have a good discussion regarding sum number 13. We will discuss everything regarding sum number 13, that is good one, mind well. So first of all let's go with this sum. देखते हैं अगर क्या है इस sum में. Sum number 13, from the following information, that is of profit and loss account for the year ended 31st of March 2019, लेकिन हम 2020 लेंगे यहाँ पे. We will take 2020 of Messrs Brinjal Trading Company, and we are given this profit and loss account, and after completing this profit and loss account we are given certain adjustments. So this is good sum. Yes, very good sum. If you want to see it, you just say it once, please. These are the adjustments: salary, card app, allowable app, and sundry expenses. Now first of all, as routine, I would like to begin with the statement, and this is sum number 13 in your book, that is, the name is Messrs. What is a Brinjal. Now again I repeat my words, it's a good sum, very good sum. Statement showing taxable profit your previous year is all that 1920, and your assessment year is 2021. Yes, first of all we will draw the lines. Yes, पहले हम लाइन ड्रॉ कर दे सारी. Now we begin with this sum number 13. The net profit is, it is 24 lakhs. Particulars. First begin with the net profit, what we are given in the profit and loss account, that is 24 lakhs. Less incomes taxable under other heads oblique exempted income. So first of all, as per the routine, we will begin our calculation from the credit side of P&L account. Say refer the credit side, and in that case we are given first point is interest and dividend. So obviously interest and dividend पहला point है, interest and dividend is a non-business income, and the amount of interest and dividend is 90,000. Second, rent, that is 30,000, which includes 10,000 from employees staff quarter. See, rent is not a business income at all, and that is what we have already discussed in the preceding sums. But out of this 30,000, 10,000 rent is received from the staff quarter. So staff is of business, and anything which is received from business is a business income. So any rent received from staff, that is called employee, is a business income. So other than that staff rent, that is staff quarter rent, other rent is non-business. So this is the first good thing of this sum. And the point is rent from staff quarters. Okay, next that is other than rent, other than staff quarter rent, that is 20,000, other than staff called employee. Third one, that is interest charged to debtors for late payment. See, this particular interest has been charged from the debtors, and that is on account of late payment. So interest obviously is not a business income, but if it is charged from debtor, that is from our customers, for non-payment or late payment, non-payment on time, or due to late payment, then it is a business income. So you just keep everything in your mind. See, these are the very, very important points. So at the time of revision or before preparation of exam, these are the important points. So interest from staff, that is debtor, 5,000. From debtors, and those are 5,000. Then we are given profit on sale of investment. So, oh, I'm so sorry, it is also not part of this. Interest on is a business income, we should not take this. Yes, it should not be taken. Then because it's an interest and business income, so business income what be deducted, other than business it is deducted. Interest charged to, sorry, that is then profit on sale of investments. Profit on, so profit on sale is a capital gain, it is not a business income. And the amount is 25,000. And lastly it is sundry income. Now sundry income does mean miscellaneous income, it's all relating to business, so we need not to record anything which is related to business. We are not going to record. Now next heading, that is add disallowable expenses. Now for that particular reason we need to first of all refer the adjustment number 1. Now in that particular adjustment we are given that salary includes 1,15,000 paid to owner of the business. Owner को हमने दिया है. So as we know very well, as per the rules of this PGBP called profit and gains from business and profession, anything which is payable to owner or partner or proprietor is disallowed. So here it is. Owner, and that is 1,15,000. Point number 2, 40% of the motor car is used meant for personal use. That means हमने जो expenses यहाँ पे मोटर कार के बताए हैं, ये रहे, उसके 40% पर्सनल यूज के लिए है. सो that is 40% of 20,000 would be 8,000. Now all important, that is the point of depreciation. Very important aspect. Now for the depreciation we are given hold the point number 4, return on value of asset on 1st of April 2018, but we have to take 2019. Machinery 80,000 the opening balance, and new machinery was purchased on 1/12/2019 for rupees 40,000, and allowable dip on both the machineries are 15%. So we need to have one working note on this. Machinery, first of all explanation, we will take explanation, that is all. Allowable debt on machinery, the rate of depreciation is all 15% on both the machinery. So block of assets for both the machinery remains same. See the opening balance of machinery, that is what we are given, that is 80,000. So 80,000's 15% as per the calculation it is 12,000, and additional machinery that is of 40,000. But for that purpose we need to calculate the days हमें calculate करने पड़ेंगे, कितने days के लिए we have owned that, कितने days के लिए हमने उसको own किया है, that is all very very important. So the date of purchase is 1st of December, so month of December 31 days, January 31, February 2020, so it is 29, and March all 31 to 122 days. So as per the rule, if any asset is not owned by SSE for 180 days or more, then half the rate of depreciation is applicable. Half the rate. इसका मतलब ये होता है अगर SSE ने कोई भी एसेट ओन की है लेकिन 180 से कम डेज के लिए, तो यहाँ 122 है और रेट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन 15% है, तो वी वुड लाइक टू टेक हाफ द रेट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन. So in that case 40,000 into half, that is 7.5%. So 40,000 का हाफ होगा it is 3,000. So 3,000, that is allowable debt as per income tax section 32. That is 15,000. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to compare it. Allowable debt is 15,000, and what is the amount of depreciation they were debited? Yes, it is 20,000. So 5,000 is disallowed on machinery. 20 minus 15, 5,000 would be disallowed. Then we are given furniture. The point of furniture is that furniture is of 40,000 and the rate of depreciation is 10%. So allowable debt on furniture, that is 40,000's 10%. That is 4,000. So this is allowable 4,000. Now what they have recorded? Yes, they have recorded 12,000. So obviously 8,000 would be disallowed on furniture. It is 12 minus 4, that is 8,000. And lastly motor car. For motor car we are given nothing. What is the allowable or disallowable? No information. That means whatever it is written over here, that is it is 15,000. So overall 15,000 is allowed. But since we are given one information in this regard, that is 40% of the motor car. See, this 40% is for personal. So out of this 15,000's 40% would be disallowed. That is all 6,000. And the last point, miscellaneous expense includes instrument purchase but not put to use in the business. परचेस किया है, ओन भी किया है, लेकिन नॉट पुट टू यूज। मिसलेनियस एक्सपेंस जो यहाँ पे ये रहे इसमें इंक्लूड है। क्या करेंगे सोचिए आप, हमने एक मशीनरी परचेस की है, जिसको हमने यूज़ नहीं किया है, वो नहीं किया है, वो मिसलेनियस एक्सपेंस में, तो क्या करेंगे? So, because it is a capital expenditure, whether it is own or not put, that means whether we have put to use or not, that is not a matter of concern. So miscellaneous expenses क्या है इसमें? इंस्ट्रूमेंट परचेज, that is totally disallowed. So guys, we have done it. Yes, हमने ये एडजस्टमेंट्स पूरे कर दिए. Now it's all time to go for this one. This is एडजस्टमेंट ख़त्म हो चुके हैं हमारे. अब एक एक करके हम लोग जाएंगे यहाँ पे. Salaries and allowances, any kind of salary and allowance, see, it is not written that it is given to owner or proprietor, so it is totally allowed. First. Second, postage and telegram. सोचिए आप, पोस्टेज क्यों किया, टेलीग्राम क्यों किया, ये खर्चा क्यों किया? If nothing is stated, then guys, it is only for the sake of business and hence it is allowed. ऑफिस रेंट, ऑफिस हम क्यों ऑफिस का, ऑफिस में क्या कर रहे हैं, तो दैट इज फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ बिजनेस, सो इट इज अलाउड. नेक्स्ट, local taxes includes, that is for building including 2004 staff quarter. So अगर आपकी जो रेंट है वो आपका बिजनेस की इनकम नहीं है तो वो महीने हम लोग लेते नहीं है. तो इन द सेम वे आपने जो लोकल टैक्सेस पे किया अदर देन दैट फॉर द स्टाफ क्वार्टर, इट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट योर बिजनेस एक्सपेंस, सो इट इज़ डिसअलाउड. सो लोकल टैक्सेस और वो होंगे आपके 8 - 2, that is all 6,000. BDR, totally bad debt reserve, because the word is reserve. Any kind of reserves and provisions are disallowed. $7,000. Bad debt 8,000. बैड डेट जो कि 8,000 है, उसमें से 2,000 हमने अकाउंट क्लोज नहीं किया एडिटर का, मांग रहे हैं पैसा और बोल रहे हैं कि भाई दिस इज बैड डेट. सो बोथ द थिंग्स आर नॉट साइमल्टेनियसली अलाउड एट ऑल. अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि भाई हमें पैसे लेने, तो ही इज़ नॉट अ डेटर, sorry, he is not a bad debt. And if you says that it is a bad debt, then you can't ask for money. So when the account is not closed for any debtors, then it is not considered as a bad debt in a legal eyes. So in order to consider any amount as a bad debt, you first of all have to close the accounts. In this case, they haven't closed the account of customer, and hence it is not considered as a legal bad debt in the eyes of the law, and hence it is disallowed. Now interest includes since donation 55,000. Interest includes 7,000 to capital, that is capital does mean to owner. So anything payable to owner or paid to owner is disallowed. Motor car expense we have already done. Provision for tax. See again the word provision for tax. As per the list, any kind of transfer to reserve or a provision is disallowed. So अगर हमें disallowed के लिस्ट में कोई आइटम मिलती है तो दैट वुड बी disallowed. तो ये provision for tax it is given under the list of disallowable expense and hence it is disallowed. याद रखना ये सारी बात है. And that is 2,50,000. DAP we have already done. Insurance premium. Oh, that is what we have left with. Insurance premium 6,000 for life insurance. See, we don't have any life insurance premium for asset like shop, for office, not at all. Life insurance premium is for living thing and it is for the son's life. That is called personal expense and any personal expense would be disallowed. So LIC premium and that is 6,000. बस हो गया. We need to make calculations now. This is 1,35,000. Four lakh 91,000. This is your taxable profit. So 24 lakh. $27,56,000. It don't tally with your answer given in the sum, but still it is right. So there is a mistake in answer given in your textbook. 27,56,000. So I hope यू मस्ट हैव एंजॉय इन दिस सम. मज़ा आ गया क्योंकि बहुत सारे नए पॉइंट्स थे इसमें. सो फॉर द टाइम वी आर कंक्लूडिंग दिस अवर सेशन. इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. बाय बाय. स्टे फिट, स्टे फाइन एंड प्लीज़ एंजॉय.